Welcome in, my dolls and figurines. I'm DARKBARBiEDiFFERENT, and today I wanted to show you guys how I made my wall look a lot cuter and more cohesive and kind of redid my collectibles in a time-lapse version of what I did. It did take me like a few weeks to kind of do, and it's not even done right now as we speak. I do have a few more things I'm waiting on, a few more shelves I want to get up, so I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to be posting this because I accidentally sat on her during the process of redoing this wall. So we might be unboxing 20th anniversary Jade soon as well, so stay tuned for that if it's not posted before this one. And I did kind of try to do my makeup like her. So anyways, thank you guys, and stay tuned to kind of see what it looked like before, or look at my other videos to see what it looked like before, and then kind of the time lapse should help you guys get an idea of where my head was at and kind of the rearranging process, as well as what it looks like at the end. And of course there's always more I can do, and I'm always adding more to my collection and plan to add more. I still need to put another shelf up there, another shelf up there, and then kind of get this stuff out of the way. But I wanted to record an intro for you guys so that I can post the video as soon as I'm done. So, okay, no, but for real though. a lot of different things to come on this channel, so I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the redo of my wall. There's always more coming and going. I'm always getting rid of stuff and getting new, and there's always something nostalgic to do or to talk about, and I hope you guys stay true to you. Have a great morning, day, evening, or night, wherever you are in the world, and thank you guys so much for sticking around and checking out my page. Please comment your favorite thing in my collection, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!